I live with and work with some highly creative people. And the other day, I popped into Mrs. Hagison's second grade classroom. She's my next door neighbor at school. And her students were in the middle of a math game that looked like so much fun. They were standing up and everybody was working on, I can't remember if it was addition or subtraction facts, but it didn't look familiar to me. So I said, Tara, what is going on in here? And she giggled and said, speed dating war. I said, what? She said, yes, they're playing war, but they're moving every time I give a signal. So she had her students seated, or they were all standing up, and there was one row stationary, and the other group facing them would move down every time she gave the signal. So each pair of students had their individual stack of cards, and they were playing war, but when she gave the signal, that one group facing in would rotate down and everybody would get a new partner. And it just looked like so much fun. I said, how in the world did you think of this? She said, well, my students were arguing and not happy with having to be with a certain partner, and so I just figured, how could I make it so that they would change partners frequently? Necessity is the mother of invention is the key to that situation right there. Good job, Tara. So I haven't tried it yet, but I was thinking, boy, you could even kind of play a musical version of this. The variations are endless. You could have a student working with their partner, and then you could play some music and have them walk around. They would take their cards and walk around. And then when you stop the music, they would have to find a new partner to play with. Or if you're in groups, if you have your students in pods of 4, they could just rotate amongst their pods, or in any number of group. Or you could try it the straight up way that Tara suggested. But I thought this was an exciting variation on war. And if you don't know how to play war, numerous people have made videos of war, so you can easily find the instructions for that. But I'm going to give this a try this week with our multiplication, but war can be used with addition, subtraction, or multiplication. And let me know if you try speed dating war, and we can see how this works. Are you a math person? Let's see. What does it take to be a math person? 1, you have to be a person, and 2, you have to do some math. Thank you, Scaffolded Teacher and Mrs. Crossgrove, for teaching us how we can become math people.